I made my first sale on Etsy without ever shipping a thing. Since then, I've been able to make over $26,000 as a homeschooling stay-at-home mom, only working while my kids were sleeping. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what digital products are and why selling them on Etsy is one of the fastest ways to make money online. So let's start with what are digital products? Digital products are files that are sent to the customer as soon as they purchase, so they can either download their digital product via email, or as soon as they purchase the product, it's automatically downloaded to their computer. So there's no shipping involved. I'm going to share my screen and we're going to go over to Etsy where I can show you some different types of digital products. The first type of digital product you can sell on Etsy are printables. And so these are what I sell, and you can see they're just pages. So these are things that people can purchase, download to their computer, and then print it off and write on it. This is a printable, and this here is Everbee, and it just shows me how many sales this product has had in the last like 30 days. And you can see how long it's been listed on Etsy. So like this product is making about 49 sales per month, and it's only 4 months old. And so I just like to have this information here just so I can see what items are popular and what items are selling pretty well on Etsy. Product idea one would be printables. These are very simple to make. I use Canva to make all of my products. These are just different types of printables that you can see here. People like this one's just a one-page printable that someone can print. This one here. So you can see here, these are printables, and you can do like planners or templates, anything like that. The second type of digital product you could create would be like Canva templates. And so these are products that customer can purchase, and they can go onto Canva and edit the product themselves. So things like this, a birthday invitation. So whenever someone purchases this product, they will be sent a link to open this product in Canva, and then they can go in Canva and put in their information. So like how this says Bella is turning 3, they could put like Tori is turning 2 or something like that. They can personalize the product themselves. And so that's what's great about a Canva template, is that the customer can edit it to fit their needs. The third popular type of digital product would be like an SVG file. And so these are popular with like Cricut or like crafters. They can sell these SVG files. So like here are a bunch of different types of fonts that people can use. And there's like a bunch of different types within each category. So like SVG files, there's like these fonts here. Here are these flowers that are pretty popular, different types of hearts. And so one thing to notice is like here where it says digital download, that lets you know that this is a digital product. So that means nothing will be shipped to you. So whenever you're browsing around Etsy trying to get an idea of like what types of digital products you want to sell, just make sure that it says digital download right in here, and that lets you know that it is a digital product. Another type of digital product would be guides or ebooks. Here we have like this financial freedom guide. Here is a digital marketing guide, a Pinterest strategy guide. And so these are guides that the person can buy, and sometimes they come with like master resale rights, which means if you buy this product, you can resell the guide as if you created it yourself. And so that is master resale rights, is when you purchase a product and you can turn around and sell it as if you created it. The creator has given you the right to do that. Those are different types of guides, or you can just sell a guide and the person doesn't have the rights to resell it. They just can use it for their own personal use. And so those are different types of guides or ebooks. So that's another category of digital products you could sell on Etsy that are pretty popular. And another pretty popular type of digital product that you could sell on Etsy would be like party decor. And so these up here, like you can get the invitation, it has the cupcake toppers, it has the banner that you could print out, like over here, a little banner you could print out. And so people can purchase this like editable party pack here, and then they can edit it themselves. So this one uses Cordial, which is another editing software, but it's kind of similar to like what you could do in Canva, where they would go in and change the name on the invitation and all of that. But people would go in and edit it, and then they can either print it at home, or they could have somewhere like Staples or something print it for them. And so printable party decor is also pretty popular on Etsy as a digital product. And one thing I want to emphasize with the beauty of digital products is that you create these products one time and people can buy them over and over and over again. So you're not having to deliver the product every single time someone buys it. You don't have to create the product every time someone buys it. You create this product one time, you put it on Etsy. Etsy will deliver the product. So first of all, they'll promote it for you. They will show it. So like if you had some party decor, then you put that on Etsy. When someone types in whatever type of party decor you have created, your product will pop up on the search results. Someone could buy your product, and then Etsy will automatically send them the email that delivers the product to them. And so you don't have to do anything after they purchase the product. Etsy handles all of that for you. If the person has a question and you get like a message on, they ask you on Etsy, then you might have to handle some customer service, but you do not have to worry about like packaging. You don't have to worry about shipping, anything like that. Etsy will do all of that for you. And so that's the beauty of digital products, is that you create it one time and you can sell it over and over and over again. And then the beauty of Etsy is that they deliver it for you. So they promote your products for you and they deliver them for you. So that is a very hard combination to beat. So now I wanted to hop into 5 reasons why I decided to sell digital products on Etsy specifically. The first reason is that it's a very low startup cost. I don't have to buy any materials. I don't have to worry about inventory. The only tools that I pay for regularly with my Etsy shop is Canva and eRank. Canva is where I design my products, and eRank helps me see how competitive products are, amongst other things that I do with it. But one of the things that I do with eRank is see the competition level of the product so that I don't make anything that's too competitive. And I can actually hop over to eRank so you can see what I mean. So this is eRank, and I have typed in digital planner. And so you can see here, eRank will tell you about how many searches per month this term is getting, which is 30,000 searches per month, which is very high. So you'd want it green, but the competition is red. So this is a lot of competition. Whenever you are using eRank, you want all of these bars to be green, and that's going to be an ideal product type. And so if I go in here instead of digital planner, if let's say I type ADHD digital planner, you want to try to get it more specific. That way you have less competition. So see here how everything's green now? That's a good sign. And so that's how I use eRank. I like to see if products are getting searches and if they have low competition. So that means that they have a high search volume. So a lot of people are searching for this product, but low competition, which means not a lot of people are making this product. And that's how you stand out on Etsy. The second reason that I love selling digital products on Etsy is that it is one of the most passive ways to make money. And so I don't have to post on TikTok 3 times a day. I don't have to make reels for Instagram every day. I don't have to post on my stories. I don't have to use any social media. Etsy will promote the products for me. So once I get them listed, and there is a specific process that I follow to get my products listed on Etsy so that they will promote my products for me. If you want the step-by-step process of how I do that, head to the description and grab the sales sprint where I walk you through exactly how I've made over 4,500 sales on Etsy without paying for ads and without posting on social media. And so that's one of the most passive ways to make money. So Etsy promotes it for me. They deliver the product for me. I create the product once and it just keeps selling. And so that's why I say that Etsy is one of the most passive ways to make money online, because I can just list my products. I work while my kids are sleeping. I get them listed, and then Etsy does the rest of the work for me. The third reason that I prefer to sell my digital products on Etsy is because of the high demand. Etsy has over 90 million active buyers on their platform that they are showing my products to. And so I would rather tap into Etsy's 90 million active buyers instead of trying to figure out how to get my products in front of the right people. And so you can see people that have, 100,000 views on a TikTok video, but that doesn't mean they're making any money. And so what I prefer to do is put my products on Etsy where they are going to show my products to the correct people, because Etsy is a search engine. So what someone does is they'll go to Etsy, they'll type something into the Etsy search bar. So whatever they're looking for. So if they're looking for like a printable journal, they'll type that into the Etsy search bar and Etsy is going to show them printable journals. And so you have a very high chance of making sales because Etsy is showing people what they are looking for because they want to buy that product. Instead of you creating a TikTok video and TikTok just showing that video to random people. So you have a lot of views, but you don't make any money because the people that are showing your video to aren't interested in what you're selling. So putting your digital products on Etsy is is going to be one of the fastest ways to start making money because you're able to tap into their audience of over 90 million buyers. The fourth reason that I like to sell my digital products on Etsy is because it is very flexible and it gives me a lot of freedom within my schedule. I'm a homeschooling stay-at-home mom, and my kids right now, I have a 6-year-old and a 2-year-old. And so I don't have a lot of time during the day to just, do random things. They take up a lot of my time and energy. And so I prefer to work while they are sleeping. And so that's one thing I love about Etsy is that I can work on my Etsy shop in the morning before they wake up. So it's still dark outside whenever I get up. And so I don't have to worry about like lighting to record TikTok videos or, having good lighting to record reels for Instagram. I don't have to worry about any of that. I can just come in my office and work while my kids are sleeping. And then all throughout the day, Etsy is promoting my products and delivering it to the people who buy them. And so it's very hands off. Once you get it up and running, it really just requires, ongoing maintenance, but it's something that I can do pretty much like in my spare time. I am not glued to my phone all day checking, seeing how many views my video got or responding to direct messages, any of that. I can just work in the morning and then just move on with my life. And so I love the flexibility and the freedom that selling digital products on Etsy gives me. And then the fifth reason that I prefer to sell my digital products on Etsy is because the platform is so beginner friendly. They make it where it's pretty much just drag and drop. And I will show you what I mean here. So here we are on Etsy, and this is where you'll go whenever you want to list your product. But see how they make it so simple here? So what type of item is it? Is it a physical item or a digital file? Ours would be a digital file. So a digital product, digital download, digital file, all the same thing. It's delivered digitally. Nothing is shipped to the buyer. And so who made it? You would put I did. What is it? A finished product. And then here, when did you make it? You just put recently. So whatever the most recent date is. And then you'd click continue. And so see how simple they have it here? Like right here, you just drag and drop your listing photos, and you would drag and drop your video, drag and drop your file that's going to be delivered to the customer. They tell you here, put your description in, and they tell you what the description is. And so Etsy makes it super simple to get your products added to their platform. And so you don't have to build your own website and, anything like that. You don't have to put in any code or anything like that. It's super simple to get your products added to Etsy. And again, here, like there are things that you need to know, which is like Etsy SEO or search engine optimization. And that's what tells Etsy what your product is so they can actually show it to the correct people. And then like with your listing photos, there are certain things you want to do with your listing photos so that it increases the chances that people will click on your product and eventually buy your product. And so there are specific things that I do to list my products so that Etsy will promote them for me. And if you want that entire process, go to the description and grab the sales sprint, and I walk you through everything. Etsy makes it super simple to get your products listed on their platform without you having to be techie at all. It's literally just drag and drop. If you've been wanting to sell digital products on Etsy, but you have no idea where to start, you're not techie, you're not a designer, you just want this simple, straightforward way to sell your digital products on Etsy without posting on social media and without paying for ads, come join us inside of the sales sprint where I walk you through the step-by-step process. It's video tutorials where I show you exactly what to do to get your products listed on Etsy. I show you how to find products that have low competition and high search volume so that you know exactly what to list on Etsy to make sales. And if you want a quick overview of how the entire process of selling digital products on Etsy works, make sure you watch this video next where I go through my 5-step formula for how I was able to sell over $26,000 worth of digital products on Etsy, only working while my kids were sleeping. So I'll chat with you soon. Bye.